Do you understand me?
Yes, I do understand.
What is your nationality?
I am American.
What is your job?
I am a teacher.
Where do you teach?
I teach at a local school.
What subject do you teach?
I teach English.
Where did you study?
I studied at a university.
What subject did you study?
I studied English literature.
Which university did you graduate from?
I graduated from Harvard University.
Do you teach full-time?
Yes, I teach full-time.
Do you like teaching?
Yes, I enjoy helping students.
How long have you been teaching?
I've been teaching for 10 years.
Do you teach online classes?
Yes, I also teach online.
Where are you from?
I am from New York.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
Do you speak other languages?
Yes, I speak Spanish.
How old are you?
I am 35 years old.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have two kids.
What does your husband do?
He is an engineer.
Where does your husband work?
He works in a software company.
Do you live in the city?
Yes, I live in the city.
Where do your parents live?
They live in Texas.
What is your husband's name?
His name is John.
What are your children's names?
Their names are Emma and Liam.
How old are your children?
They are 8 and 5 years old.
What does your brother do?
He is a doctor.
Where does your brother work?
He works at a hospital.
Does your brother live nearby?
Yes, he lives close to me.
What is your brother's name?
His name is David.
Does your brother have children?
Yes, he has one son.
Is your brother older than you?
Yes, he is older.
Where did your brother study?
He studied at Stanford University.
Have you written any books?
Yes, I have written one book.
What is the name of your book?
The name of my book is The Art of Teaching.
Do you enjoy writing?
Yes, writing is one of my passions.
Are you a morning person?
Yes, I wake up early.
What is your favorite season?
I prefer spring.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I love cooking.